All right. So continuing off where we left off, page 34, we opened a Microsoft Word document called Other Resources, and then we opened a PowerPoint document called Cashier Training. So all of the documents that we have open should be visible in your taskbar at the bottom. Okay. And then we went ahead and we saved the cashier training document to cashier training solution. All right, there we go. Step number 3, switch to outline view. Switch to outline view. So we go to the view tab, click on outline view. All right. Even though I hate working in the outline view, we do have to know how to use it. So we're just going to go ahead and use it. Switch to outline view and scroll down to the bottom of the presentation in the outline pane. Scroll down to the bottom of the presentation. Okay. Click after the last bullet point on the last slide and press enter. Last bullet point on the last slide and click enter. Okay, creating a new bulleted paragraph. Those little O's are actually bullets. Okay, that's the theme in this particular presentation. Okay, so we've pressed enter. We've created a new bulleted paragraph. Press Shift Tab. So press Shift and Tab at the same time on your keyboard. So press Shift plus Tab. And now what has happened? The bulleted point got promoted to a new paragraph, or sorry, to a new slide. Okay, so the orange square or the orange border that you see actually represents a new slide. Okay, step number 5. Go to the Open Resources document in Word. Okay, now we're going to switch over to Word here. Okay, switch over to Word and press Control C. So we're going to select the heading. Please remember to read very carefully. It says go to the Other Resources document in Word, select the heading, Other Resources. We're not to select the entire thing, just the heading. Press Control C on your keyboard to copy, and then switch back to PowerPoint. Okay, and press Control V over here, Control V. So what it did is that it copied the heading in PowerPoint. We copied it from Word into PowerPoint. Okay. Next, step number 8. Okay, we already went. Wait, no. In PowerPoint insertion point, copy the word heading. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm skipping a few steps over here. Click the paste options. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and do the bulleted list. Sorry about that. I was doing the right thing. All right, we're going to go ahead, do the same thing here. Select the bulleted list, Control C. Then we're going to go back to PowerPoint here, and we are going to right-click. And if you notice here, there are several paste options. Okay, the very first one says use destination theme. Second one says keep source formatting. They want us to use the keep source formatting option. So we're going to click on that, and now we have our bullet here. However, it does not look very well. It doesn't look like how it's supposed to look. So I'm going to undo that, okay? I think I did not read that keep source formatting option was for the title, okay? Here, what we're supposed to do when we are pasting, we're going to do paste special. So I'm going to do right click. This is what happens when you don't read your instructions properly, okay? We're going to do paste special. So how do we paste special? We go into the home tab, we go in here and we do paste special. And then from here, we are going to click on RTF. and do OK. All right. Technically, this should have worked, but it didn't. I'm sure I've done something dreadfully wrong here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this all over again. This is a very good example of when you do not follow instructions, Mrs. Khan. All right, let me go back here and do this piece for you all over again. First, we're going to go ahead and copy that. Control C. Go back to PowerPoint. And what we're going to do is we are going to do the paste, and we're going to keep source formatting. All right? All right. All right. In the other resources document word, now select the bulleted list. So we're going to go back to the bulleted list. And copy the bulleted list. Control C. Go back to PowerPoint. And, okay. In the PowerPoint, click the Add to Text placeholder. And then we are going to paste it in here. Paste special, formatted text, and do OK. Yay, we got it. All right. All right. So this is done. Now we're going to switch back to normal view. Go here, view, normal view. That was a really, really good example of not following directions, okay? And you get a very messed up presentation if you do not follow directions. All right, so we've done that, and now it says step number 18. On the Home tab, click the New Slide. On the Home tab, click the New Slide drop-down arrow and click Slides from Outline. All right? Now, we have to go back, navigate back to our desktop, navigate back to your CE 101 folder, PPT folder, student data files for lesson 2, and we are going to pull up a document called Contacts. Okay, and do insert. So now what happened is that we got a new slide called inserts. Now things don't look very perfect here, but that's totally fine. Basically what we have done is that, okay, we were not following directions very well. And what I wanted to show you, okay, don't worry about this, the outcome of this. I'm going to do this again for you. But the outcome is we are trying to get familiar with the use of slides from outline and reuse slides. These are very important. Slides from outlines means that you are taking a slide that has been created in another program and putting it into your slide, okay? The reuse slide option opens up a text pane, and then it opens up a pane, and then you click on browse, you do browse file, and you find another PowerPoint presentation, and then you insert slides from that into your presentation. So that is basically that lesson. I know I kind of goofed up here a little bit, but that's okay. We all goof up sometimes. So I am done with step number 21 on page 35. I'm going to go ahead and save this and close this, okay? And they do not want us to save that. Okay.